Buenos dias! Welcome sa mini vlog ng nasunugan pero pilit lumalaban. So for today's video, tayo ay mag-organize ng temporary workstation and we will also organize the room where we're staying. Paano nga ba naman tayo makaka-move on kung bawat umaga pagising ang nasunog mong bahay ang bubungad sa'yo, diba? Hindi pa daw to pwedeng galawin since it's still under investigation. Pero syempre galaw-galaw tayo for a change of scenery. Plus, I've organized a mini workstation for me. Now, it's also time to organize the room where we are staying. I know better days are ahead. And if you are like me, na gusto ng productive morning, and you want to have the same energy, don't forget to drink Power Sip Instant Coffee. Available in 3 variants, black coffee, plus 2 power extracts, and plus 5 power extracts. Tongkat Ali, ginseng, mangosteen, malunggay, agaricus mushroom are some of the ingredients that it has, and it will definitely give you all of the energy that you need all throughout the day. This is available at Zalos, Happy, and Oro. Tara, kape!